Good evening, sir. Hi, I'm from Villajan Dave, and today I'll be answering the question for prelim about Laravel, malware, and security. Question 1. How can you define a simple code in Laravel and what would be a real-life example? In Laravel, a simple route is defined in the route as web.ph while using the route. If you want to say a homepage, users visit, can define. Question number 2. How do name routes work in Laravel and how might you use them in a real world? Name routes how to assign a name or route generate URL and redirect. Uh, you can use route generate real world use if the profile yes you only update it one place instead of multiple files. So number 3, what is the purpose of groups in Laravel and how might it be used? Root groups let apply shared attributes like midware, prefix, or namespace to multiple routes. All routes inside the group provide authentication, saving time, avoiding certification. Number 4, how does midware works in Laravel and can you provide a practical example? Uh, midware filters HTTP requests before they reach your controllers. Midware checks if a user is logged. A user tries to access dashboard without logging and then be predicted to the login. Question number 5, sir. How can you handle form vision and PSRF protection in Laravel? Laravel automatically protects forms from SRF by firing a token in a template include. Directive adds hidden tokens. Laravel verifies this token to ensure the request is valid and not from a malicious source. All